Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the daily scan for Wednesday, May 15th. Looks like it's going to be a busy day for announcements. A lot of things going on pre-market, and then housing market after the open at 10 o'clock. And then the petroleum status report. Let's see, is there any more down here? No, that's enough. That's enough. Could be kind of a roller coaster ride, or it could be a complete reversal of where we are right now, pre-market. And we'll take a look at that quick. We can see that it looks like we might be opening down slightly or flat. You just never know. Gold is doing its thing again. Kind of sinking a little bit, and oil moved quite a bit, almost $1.50 from yesterday down. I guess that's sort of a good sign, but that also is sort of a sign that when oil prices decrease, generally as a rule, at least this is what I hear, we end up with a shrinking economic forecast, I guess you might say. So the demand for oil will be lower. But that's just what I hear, and I'm sure some people might hear the opposite or some other reason. You just never know. It is what it is, though, and that's where we try to stick with our trading. Quick look at the hedges that I had in here as simulated trades. As might be expected, gold is not doing too hot. It's down $1,500. And even worse yet is the short on the ES that I did. That is down $4,600. So all told, we are down about $6,000 on this hedge. But we'll just stick it out and see how it works out. It's not going to cost me anything, and that's the beauty of it. Alright, we'll take a look at current positions right now. Let's take a look at across all the accounts. Baidu is a little bit of a concern, but I think after looking at the chart this morning about with what happened yesterday, looked a little scary at the open. We have a nice long candle here that was a bit scary, but it actually came back, kind of settled down, and closed the day up slightly, along with this rocket ship of a market that we have here. I got a trigger on LinkedIn, so I am in on that with a bull put, and that's here. No, that trigger wasn't. Yeah, LinkedIn did trigger yesterday. I also got an alert trigger on V, but I didn't add to that position. I didn't see it. The only thing that made sense was to add exactly at the strikes that we're at, and I didn't want to add any more risk at that level, so I didn't do anything about that. And we could actually review this by just taking a look at this. Yeah, LinkedIn triggered at 9:32, and then I had a bunch of other things going on here, and then yeah, I opened this 160, 155 bull put on LinkedIn, and then I closed the call end of my Netflix Iron Condor, and so far I'm pretty happy that I did that because Netflix is on a big move. And then, yeah, I got this alert on V, and I didn't do anything about that. Then, for all you people that are following my RUT strategy for the insurance policy, I closed the May, June RUT calendar yesterday for $4.73. So here's the final result on that. I sold it on 414 for $4.73. Why do I have $4.99 in there? I don't know. Oh, I think that's left over. Okay, so now our loss on that insurance policy is $475. Then I turned around and I opened July-August calendar at these prices and these levels. It was $905 and $970 for $5.27 and $7. I would have liked those prices to be a little bit closer together, but I think just at the time that I opened it, this and these are put calendars too, both of them. At that time, that 970 was just a little more pricey than I would have liked to have seen. So if we take a look at it on the Analyze tab, this is what it looks like. And this is both of them together. I did one on each account, just to let you know. And that's what I was going to do, and that is what I did. Alright, so that's it for the existing positions. Of course, you can see that RUT's down a little bit, but that's okay. We have we're just going to keep an eye on it and see how it wiggles around in there. Alright, now we'll go and take a look at the A+ list real quick today. Oops, start with Apple. Okay, here we go. Uptrend on Apple may be failing, quite possibly. They had quite an afternoon. Wow, that's a biggie. Are we going to get the hookup? Don't know. Let me get this coordinated. Here we go. Alright, Amazon. This should go a little bit more smoothly now. Amazon, we're still in our June Iron Condor. Take this. I have to remember to come back. Let me fix Amazon charts. I'm going to make a note of that. Alright. Nothing here right now, folks. We are pretty flat. We just went through the 50 MA here. We may get a trend reversal on Amazon. Taking it a while, but you know, it's okay. We can wait. Baidu. Sort of took a peek at this before. Our June bull put still doing good in a brand new uptrend. Let's see if we can hit a target. We're going to put a target down here, an attention target, I guess you might say, and look for an opportunity to add to this bullish position here. Sell gene. We never did get down here to our target, not presenting us an opportunity at this time. CF has a print this morning. That's strange. Volume, zero volume. That's strange. You know, Visa has the same thing. Volume 0, and there's a print already. Huh. Very strange. Anyway, we're looking at possibly doing this. Oh, that was May. Forget about it. May's almost over. Looking for a move down. We had an alert on this. We didn't get it. I'm going to leave the alert there, because if we get it, that would be a good confirmation. We're still waiting for the confirmation on price here. So let's just hold out on that particular one. We'll just leave it where it is. Alright. We got Chipotle. We were looking for something to give us a bounce down here. No, was not to be. I don't like this. Feels like a chase if I was to go after anything after the day that it had yesterday and the rest that it looks like we might be headed for today. So I'm going to hold off on that. GLD, it's going to be heading down a little bit more today, so multiple drawings on this as well. I'll have to fix that too. Google. This is a chase right now. It's just not giving us an opportunity to get in. So be patient. Goldman. Whoa, nice day yesterday, Goldman Sachs. Nothing there, folks. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Moving average is flat. We don't really know. We need it to come back and give us an entry and then a confirmation. So we'll just wait for that to happen. LinkedIn. Okay, we are in on LinkedIn. That's the one that we jumped in on yesterday, and I haven't put it on the chart yet. So that's a 160. As short is at 160. Well, maybe I did put it in. No, I didn't. Alright, so that was yesterday. The short was at 160. Stop that. And we'll just put this line in here right now. And that's the June expiration. Oops. And we'll just leave it right there for right now. Won't waste your time with it. MasterCard. We have a couple of different trades in on that. And we'll have to fix the drawings on it. Had a very nice day yesterday. We have an iron condor on this. That could be a little scary. We're looking at the calls at 600, and we're at 569. We have 30 bucks to go, but after a day like yesterday where it went from 57 to 69, that's $12. 30 bucks isn't a really big cushion. So we need to keep an eye on that one too. Okay. Netflix. Any new entry possibilities? Nope. We have a nice uptrend, looking for an entry on the stochastic and a price confirmation. Priceline. Nice move on Priceline. Trying to keep up with Google and MasterCard. It's amazing. Just absolutely amazing, but no entries there. Panera. Okay, we're sitting with our June trade here that we took off of a weekly, and we actually got a bounce here. I don't know if I ever put an alert on that or not. I don't see it in my notes that I did put an alert on it. Maybe I didn't. We were looking for this secondary entry here, but I think I'm going to take a pass on it. Don't have to get in on everyone. And Visa, looks like we might actually, we did get that alert to trigger off yesterday, and again, you know, it looked like we would be adding something at exactly this level if we were to use this expiration, and I just didn't feel comfortable about that. So we can call it a day here, and we are done. Sorry for the gaps in this particular recording. But, you know, the whole RUT argument is over and done with now. I made my decision. A lot of people said just bail and wait for another day, and it was an insurance policy, and that's what I did. I paid my premium. I'm out. I opened a new policy. So, again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and happy trading.